Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, where this week we will be looking at the Hot Wheels Czinger 21C. To be honest, before I got this or even cracked it open and decided to go for a video of this, I didn't even know who Czinger is or what they did. So I searched Wikipedia, and it appears that Czinger is an American company based in Los Angeles, and this particular car is a hybrid developed using 3D printing. Now, this is interesting. Not many cars are 3D printed. It debuted in London in 2020 in full lockdown. So yeah. You can look it up on Wikipedia. I will place a link in the description to have a look at it. But our interest in today's video is to look at the model itself. So from Hot Wheels, as always, you know that Hot Wheels do make great quality packaging and toy cars and models in general. So yeah, let's set that aside and have a look at the model itself. Now, the model is really interesting. The build quality, especially. A lot of details have went into creating this. Hope I will be able to place some pictures of the actual car on the screen. But yeah, so it is a full metal build. It has some weight to it, but not that much. Great modern looking car. So if you see in the interior, we have central seating position, but for 2 seats. I hope my light is good enough. I will upgrade that in the near future. So 2 seating positions, and this beautiful blue color. It doesn't have metal specs on it, but it is beautiful nonetheless. Really cool. Sorry for the stutter. Maybe we can light up a bit more. Yeah. So it doesn't have a metallic hue to it, but it's still really nice. The Czinger logo, the headlights with marker or paint or whatever, but still a good detail. It has some smudges on it. Okay. Plastic, the wing, and this is a really cool detail. So the end has the backlights, the stop lights here, the exhaust, and the rear diffuser. And the front also plastic, but in general, as a general rule, I will try to keep my videos shorter going forward. There are so many things that you can talk about a model car, and I don't really like wasting people's time. But yeah, this is really cool. I really like it. So again, from Hot Wheels, as a model of Czinger 21C. Yep, really cool. And as I said, I don't want to keep the videos longer anymore. That being said, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.